It's almost done.
Eventually he's going to make it interactive. Push the button.
And then like they
Somebody must have come to my train off the track. Your train just crashed into my train. Somebody bumped my train off the track and your train ran this way. At least that, according to the news reports. Oh, I see it.
Hey, kid.
Oh, look how long it is and look what he's pulling.
Hang on a second. Fix this.
It's kind of like a bar stove.
Finally made it back to the desert.
Yep. Really cool.